Namo Namaha. Myself, Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Bhasha Sutram 2, Part 1. Namani. Nam means noun. Vastu, sthan, namadarshak shabdah means the name of a thing, place, person, animal. For example, Deva, Shala, Kavi इत्यादयः. प्रातिपदिकम शब्दस्य मूलम रूपम means the word's original form or the noun's original form. Nouns or pronouns original form. That is called the pratipadikam. For example, vana, mala, asmat, etc. In Sanskrit, names, sarvanam, visheshans are written with vibhakti pratyay in sentence, which convey that meaning. While translating into English, the naam, sarvanam use in a particular vibhakti. We have to use the specific prepositions before that naam or sarvanam. For example, Ramasya. When we are translating in English, of Ram, we have to write of Ram. Of is a preposition. Naams have 8 and sarvanams have 7 vibhaktis. So let's see how the vibhaktis are working. The functions of vibhaktis are known as karakani. The one which is associated with an action is called the karak. See the Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti is working as a subject, means karta, means karta karakam. Dvitiya is used as a object, means karma karakam. And in object always use the preposition to. Tritiya is used as an instrument of action, karanam or sadhanam. Instrument means what? Sadhan. For completing the action, which sadhans its use? It shows by or with. Chaturthi, receiver, purpose of action. Who is the receiver? Who is the recipient? Or what is the purpose of the action? It's showed by the Chaturthi. Sampradana karakam. Prepositions to or for. Panchami, separation, reason, fear means apadana karakam. Means if the reason is showing, if the fear is showing in that separation from where, so that time we are use the Panchami apadana karakam. The prepositions from or due to. Shashti, showing the relation or the possession. Possession means what? Swamitvam. Sambandha, preposition of. Saptami, location, time. If showing the location or time, it's called the adhikarana karakam. That time we are using the preposition in, on, at, upon. Sambodhan, for calling anyone, for addressing anyone. That time we are using the Sambodhan. We have the sentence on the screen. बालकः प्रभाते गृहे तस्य स्यूतात् स्वास्थ्याय हस्तेन सेवफलं खादति. हे बालक उत्तमम. Students, this is the key sentence which include all the vibhaktis. Means all the words, all the vibhaktis in the sentence are connected with the verb. As I told, the one which is associated with an action is called karakam. So we have to find out the action word from this sentence. What is the action word from this sentence? Khadati. So we will ask some questions to the khadati, and whatever the answers we are getting, these are all our vibhaktis and karakats. See now, khadati. Kaha khadati? Who is eating? Which answer we are getting? Balakaha. So balaka is the subject of the sentence. It's in prathama vibhakti. So it's a karta karakam. Kim khadati? What is eating? Kim khadati? Sevafalam. Which answer we are getting? Sevafalam. So sevafalam is an object, an apple. It's a dvitiya vibhakti. Karma karakam. कथम खादति, how is eating. हस्तेन, with the hand. Hand is here a instrument, sadhan. It's a karanam karakam is used here tritiya vibhakti, hastena. किमर्थम खादति, पर्पज. किमर्थम खादति, पर्पज. किमर्थम खादति, स्वास्थाय मीन्स फॉर हेल्थ, पर्पज चतुर्थी विभक्ति मीन्स संप्रदानकारकम. कुतः खादति, फ्रॉम वेयर ही गेट्स. कुतः खादति, स्यूतात्. फ्रॉम वेयर, स्यूतात्. फ्रॉम बैग. So, source of separation. The apple separated from the bag. Source of separation. पंचमी विभक्ति अपादानकारकम. षष्ठी विभक्ति is not directly connected with the action. See, कस्य सेवफलम. कस्य सेवफलम, स्वामित्वम. Whose it is, स्वामित्वम. It shows the स्वामित्वम. Whose it is, तस्य, his. It's a possession, स्वामित्वम. षष्ठी विभक्ति. संबंधः. कुत्र. कुत्र खादति, where. Where he is eating, गृहे. The answer we are getting गृहे. In house, showing the location. It's a सप्तमी विभक्ति अधिकरणम, अधिकरणकारकम. कदा खादति, when. Time, in the morning, प्रभाते, showing the time. सप्तमी विभक्ति अधिकरणकारकम. हे बालक, addressing. We are addressing the balak. हे बालक उत्तमम, संबोधन. We are संबोधिंग. We are addressing the balak. क्रियान्वयी कारकम. The one which is associated with an action is called कारकम. कर्ता कर्म च करणम संप्रदानम तथैव च अपदानाधिकरणम इत्याहु कारकाणि षट्. Now see here how to find out the कारकाणि. सीता गीतम गायति. What is the verb in this sentence? गायति. कहाँ गायति, सीता. सीता is in प्रथमा विभक्ति. So it's a कर्ता कारकम. मधुरा जलम पीबति. मधुरा जलम पीबति. किम पीबति, जलम. जलम is in द्वितीय विभक्ति means object. कर्म कारकम. अहम सुधाखंडेन लिखामि. The verb is लिखामि. कथम लिखामि, what they use for writing. सुधाखंडेन, chalk. It's an instrument. तृतीय विभक्ति करणम कारकम, करण कारकम. माता बालकाय क्रीडनकम यच्छति. यच्छति, to give. Means the mother gives the toy to the child. क्रीडनकम, toy. Who is the receiver here? बालकाय. Means a संप्रदानम. चतुर्थी विभक्ति संप्रदानम. रिसीवर बालकाय. नृपः रथात् अवतरति. अवतरति, get down. From where? From where means अपादानम. पंचमी विभक्ति फ्रॉम वेयर. रथात् अपादानम कारकम. दशरथस्य पुत्रः राम. हियर द रिलेशन इज शोइंग हियर. संबंधः. हुज सन, दशरथस्य सन. संबंधः षष्ठी विभक्ति. एक्चुअली द षष्ठी विभक्ति इज नॉट डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विद द एक्शन and the actions are always connected with the karak. So usually the Shashti Vibhakti is not told as a karak. पितामह प्रभाते वृत्तपत्रं पठति. कदा पठति? कदा पठति? प्रभाते. प्रभाते showing the time. सप्तमी विभक्ति अधिकरणम कारकम. In this way we can identify the karakani's. Let's see which type of questions are coming in the exam. अधोरेखितानां शब्दानां कारकम लिखत. Means you have to write here the karakas, the words which is underlined, the word which is underlined. See the first one, उल्का अवकाशात पतति. अवकाशात पतति. अवकाशात पंचमी विभक्ति. अवकाशात पंचमी विभक्ति. पतति falls down. From where? From where falls down? अवकाशात पंचमी विभक्ति. So that's why it's a अपादान कारकम. रक्षकः क्रोधेन चोरं ताडयति. क्रोधेन, it's a तृतीय विभक्ति. With क्रोधेन anger, with anger. The policemen are beating the thieves with the anger. With instrument means करणकारकम. छात्रः श्लोकं स्मरति. श्लोकम द्वितीय विभक्ति. इट्स अ कर्मकारकम. अहम देवं प्रणमामि. अहम प्रथमा विभक्ति सब्जेक्ट. सो कर्ताकारकम. बालकः उद्याने क्रीडन्ति. उद्याने in the garden, showing the place. सप्तमी विभक्ति means what? अधिकरणम, अधिकरणकारकम. युवकः वित्तकोशात् धनम् आनयति. वित्तकोशात् पंचमी विभक्ति. From where? From the bank. वित्तकोशात् means from the bank. So वित्तकोशात् पंचमी विभक्ति अपादानकारकम. मुख्याध्यापकः छात्रेभ्यः पारितोषिकाणि यच्छति. यच्छति means to give. And छात्रेभ्यः to whom? छात्रेभ्यः. Who is the receiver? छात्रेभ्यः. So चतुर्थी विभक्ति संप्रदानम कारकम. In this way we can identify the कारकास. योग्य विभक्ति रूपम योजयत. In bracket nouns are given. These nouns correct vibhakti you have to use here. आपणिकः धान्यं तोलयति. धान्यं तोलयति. तोलयति मीन्स व्हाट? काउंट करना. किस में काउंट करते हैं? हाउ टू काउंट? धान्य मीन्स ग्रेन्स हियर. सो आपणिकः तुलया धान्यं तोलयति. तुलया धान्यं तोलयति. भ्राता शाटिकां यच्छति. भगिनी इज हियर अ रिसीवर. सो चतुर्थी विभक्ति. भ्राता भगिन्यैः शाटिकां यच्छति. पितामहः पूजयति. इट्स अ देव इज हियर ऑब्जेक्ट कर्म. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू कीप द द्वितीय. पितामहः देवं पूजयति. आकाश तारकाः पतन्ति. फ्रॉम वेयर द स्टार्स आर फॉलिंग डाउन. फ्रॉम वेयर? फ्रॉम पंचमी विभक्ति. सो आकाशात् तारकाः पतन्ति. जलधारा यंत्रम अस्ति. वेयर इज? शोइंग द प्लेस. सो दैट्स वाई सप्तमी विभक्ति. वाटिकायां जलधारा यंत्रम अस्ति. In this way, this type of questions are coming in the exam. Students, you have to do the practice. धन्यवादः.